Most people think a watch is just a tool for telling time. But the second you strap on a piece with real Swiss heritage, that perspective shifts. The Mido Multifort hits your wrist with a sense of purpose that immediately separates it from the sea of generic pieces cluttering the market today. It feels like a proper machine. It has a weight and a refinement that sets a specific tone for your entire day. The first thing that truly stops you is the dial. It is not just a flat surface with numbers on it. There is a textured finish that gives it a dynamic, three-dimensional look. It plays with the light in a way that feels energetic and alive. When you pair that with the applied indices and those sharp, polished hands, the legibility is incredible. You can glance at your wrist in a dark theater, or under the harsh glare of the midday sun, and know exactly what time it is without squinting. That level of detail proves that no corners were cut on the aesthetics. Under the hood, you have a Swiss automatic movement that is a joy to observe. There is something deeply satisfying about watching that second's hand. It does not lurch or tick like a cheap toy. It glides. It hums. It moves with a smooth, sweeping precision that reminds you of the tiny gears and springs working in perfect harmony inside. It is a mechanical heart that gives the watch a personality. You start to appreciate the engineering every single time you look down to check the hour. The case finishing is equally impressive. You get a mix of brushed and polished surfaces that provide depth without feeling like you are wearing a piece of jewelry that is trying too hard. It is subtle. It is sophisticated. Then there is the genius of the single crown design. By keeping everything consolidated to one point, the watch maintains a sleek, refined profile. It does not feel cluttered with unnecessary buttons or extra pushers. This design choice makes it incredibly versatile. You can wear this to a formal wedding or throw it on with a casual hoodie for a weekend coffee run. It never looks out of place. It is a chameleon for your wardrobe. The sapphire crystal adds a layer of practical armor. It handles the everyday knocks and accidental scrapes of real life without showing a single mark. You do not have to baby this watch. It is water resistant enough to handle a sudden rainstorm or a quick hand wash without any stress. It is built for the real world, not just a display case. Now, it does have a substantial presence. This is not a feather-light dress watch that you forget you are wearing. It sits tall on the wrist. It feels heavy in a way that conveys quality and durability. If you prefer something that feels like it is barely there, the heft might take some getting used to. But for those who like a watch with some backbone, it is perfect. This watch offers an incredible balance of craftsmanship and value. It feels like a premium luxury item that stays humble. It is a smart, long-term choice for anyone who values substance over hype. You are getting a piece of engineering that tells a story every time you check the time,